Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, I'm going to discuss how you can protect your computer. Here's a comprehensive guide to protect your device from cyber threat. I'm going to talk about essential protection and online safety practice. This way, you can protect your computer. Essential protection: strong password. Create complex password for all your accounts, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information. Regular updates. Keep your operating system, software, and apps updated. These updates often include security patches. Antivirus software. Install reputable antivirus software and keep it updated regularly. Scan your computer for malware. Firewall. Enable your computer's firewall to act as a barrier between your device and the internet. Backup regularly. Create regular backups of your important files to an external hard drive or cloud storage. Beware of phishing. Be cautious and suspicious emails, links, or attachments. Never share personal information with unsolicited requests. Online safety practice. Secure Wi-Fi network. Use strong password for your home Wi-Fi network and avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities. Secure browsing. Use reputable web browser with built-in security feature. Beware of clicking on pop-ups or downloading from unknown sources. Online shopping. Ensure websites are secure. Look for HTTPs in the URL before entering payment information. Social media privacy. Adjust privacy setting on social media platform to limit information sharing. About public computers. Be cautious when using public computers for sensitive tasks. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.